Hi children, welcome to today's science class. From today's class we are going to start a new block, that is block 10, organ systems of our body. In the block 9 itself you had some idea about the skeleton and you learnt about the bones and joints, no children. As a continuation only you are going to learn about other different organs of our organ systems of our body. First let us learn what is this term organ is means. Yes, see children, there are different parts in our body, right? And each and every part has their own function to perform. Yes or no? And you all know that we have some external organs and also some of them are internal organs. Just first in your rough book, like a simple activity as usual, how will you start? You have to name two internal organs and two external organs. You all are familiar with that. Everyone can answer that easily. Yes, just you write two internal organs, two external organs. So when you write that, you will be able to understand what are they and where are they present. Yes children, can you name two internal organs? Very good children. Heart, yes, and also many are there lungs, internal. Why do you call them internal organs? Because they are found inside our body. And external organs children which we can see, yes, eyes, ears also, no? Yes. Now you tell me all these are parts of our body. Different parts of our body, some you can see, some are visible and some are inside our bodies, some are external and some are internal, and all of them have their own function. No child? Heart, what is the function? It will pump the blood. Lungs will help you to breathe. What about the eyes? They will help you to see. What about the ears? They will help you to hear. So what are we learning from this? Each and every part has their own function to perform. Yes, so far we are learning that part would only be used. Then what is this new term organ? That is nothing but organ is a part of our body. Like this each one is an organ. And each organ have their particular function to perform. Work, that's what simple words we say work. But they have that particular function to perform. So what is an organ? Organ is a part of our body which has a particular function or which does a particular function. Yes children, so you can add up so many parts. Yes, you can add up so many parts, internal and external. Now why this another term they have given you, organ system. See children, you all ride bicycle, you all will be enjoying riding bicycle. Yes, when you observe a bicycle, yes, you can see that so many parts are there in a bicycle. How we have different parts, hands, legs, like that. In the cycle also there are so many different parts are there. Yes. Now in your workbook also, if you open the S1, you can see there is a bicycle picture and you can see that all the parts are not connected. Yes, wheels are separate, pedal is separate, handlebar is separate. So like that one cycle is given. Can you be able to write that children? Pedals are separate, wheels are separate, handlebar is separate, bell is separate it is there. Can we ride it? No. So when we can use it for riding? Only when all of them are connected. When all of them are connected, they work together and they help you to move. Yes, all of them when they are connected, you can ride it and you will be moving from one place to another place. Same way only in our body also, many organs what they will do, they will work. Together they will work for one particular reason, one particular function or specific function they will do. So when the organs join together, they will make a organ system. System word, the computer will use the word system. So in the system so many parts are there, they are connected to each other. Then only your system will work. Computer system I am talking about, laptop or desktop. Same way in your body also there are so many systems. Yes. So organ is a part of the body. They will have a specific work or particular function to perform. Now organ system means in the organ system many organs, a group of organs work together. They work together to do a particular function. Function means work. For example, we are eating the food. So what is the purpose of eating food, children? It has to get digested and we have to get the energy from that. Yes. So this is not a simple work. For that, so many organs have to work together and to get this function to be done. So that system, in that there are many organs are there. For example, you keep the food in the mouth, and where does it go? From the mouth it will go to the, very good, it will go to the stomach. You all know that it will go to the stomach. What is the function of the stomach, children? It will grind the food. It will grind the food. Yes. And so from the mouth, how it will reach it? There is an organ called food pipe. So this food pipe will take it to the stomach. From where it started? From the mouth. Again, there are so many other organs like intestines. They will work together to perform the function of digestion. That particular work, what is that? Same work, all of them are grouped, they are combined together and they are doing. That is the digestion. So like this, there are different systems are there in our body because so many different types of functions has to be performed. For example, see, immediately when I am saying you are thinking, the brain is helping you to think. So even the brain is connected with so many nerves and they will carry, you are able to see me, the eye, everything is connected to the brain, and that is one system called nervous system. And we are breathing. Yes, when we are breathing, taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is very, very important for the life. No? So that is done by a group of organs called the group of organs combined together, and that system is called the respiratory system. Like the different systems are there in our organ or in our body to perform the various functions, important functions of our body. So before understanding about the other different systems, you should know what is an organ. It is nothing but a part of the body, and that part is having a specific or particular function. Yes, and what is an organ system? Group of organs, like just now I said, no, mouth, the food pipe, stomach, intestine, all together they will work together. They are connected. Like how I said the cycle, they are connected. Even one screw is getting removed, you can't able to ride the bicycle, no, children. So that screw is also the part of the bicycle by joining. So all are, even you learnt about the muscles and skeleton, no, the previous lesson. So all are connected to each other. Then only even in your workbook you have the skeleton picture. You see near to the cycle picture, you can see that how the bones are connected, bones and are connected, joints are there. So these all together only make the skeleton. That's how you are able to stand, walk, do different types of work, because they are joined, they are combined together, they work together. So I hope you all understood what is an organ and what is a organ system. Now let us try to name some of the organ systems of our body. Yes, let us discuss about some of the systems of our body, important systems of our body. At least 5 we will try to name, so that it will be helpful for you to further learn in this block, whatever is given in this block. Now, the first system is digestive system. So the name itself says in this system many organs are there. Yes, no. Once you see the system word, you know now there are many organs are there. Like mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestines, all of them will work together for the digestion of the food. Next, respiratory system. So in this system also there are many organs. They all will work together and they will help us to breathe in and breathe out. Very important for living. And there is another system called excretory system, children. So in this system will help us to remove the unwanted food. After eating the food, unwanted waste food materials has to be removed from our body. So kidneys, so many other organs are there which they will work together for this removal of the waste materials from our body, excretory system. And also you know that already you learned about the skeletal system which is giving us the shape and help us to support us to do many different types of work which we do. The bones and the joints are there in this skeletal system. There is a skeleton picture in your workbook also. And also brain is the master for all the organs. Nervous system, it controls the complete all the different works of the body. Like this we have different systems in our body. As soon as you see the term system, by now you know that many organs are working together. So now, if for example, now in digestive system, one of the organ is stomach. Yes, one of the organ is stomach. Now, there is another system, circulatory system. That will circulate everywhere. See, you get a cut here, what will come out? Blood. When you get a cut in the food, blood. So everywhere blood is in our body, blood is flowing up and down. So that is so important. The blood only carries different materials. No. So that for that the heart will be pumping it. That is called the circulatory system. So what system it is? One of the very important system where the heart is helping us to, where heart and blood vessels are there. Circulatory system. So in this system, heart is the very important organ, heart. Now, for example, if stomach is in the place of heart and heart is in the place of stomach, can they be able to do their function, children? Is it possible? What is the work of the heart? Its work is to pump the blood. What is the work of the stomach? To grind the food. So when they are in the different systems, their work is different. So when they are in the different system, the work will not, even the stomach cannot pump the blood and heart cannot grind the food. So that will be very difficult. Yes, when the organs are mismatching, like how sometimes how we mismatch, like that, it is not possible. So heart cannot do the work of stomach and stomach cannot do the work of the heart. Now, organ system and few organ systems names also you are able to understand. Now we will see what is given in your workbook. Very simple one, so that I hope you can only able to do. Yes, no children? See the first question, children. The first question is, take out your S1. First question, you just observe the bicycle picture and the skeleton picture, and you see that unless you don't connect the bicycle, that is when they are not joined together, the parts are not joined together, we will not be able to ride the bicycle. Now first question, what is an organ? Where can we find internal organs? Give examples. What is an organ, children? Organ is a part of our body which will do a specific or particular work. Where can we see the internal organs? Inside our body. Can you give some examples? Can you do this on your own? Yes, you will be able to. After reading the textbook, you will be able to do this on your own. Second question you see. How is an organ system different from an organ? Again, organ, what is organ? Organ is a part of the organ system. But what is organ system? In organ system, many organs they work together for a particular function. That is particular, they work together for a particular function. Yes, can you do this also? Already I wrote on the board. I hope you can do this also. Organ is a part of our body. Organ system has a group of organs. They will work together for a specific or particular function. You can write on your own. Now see the name any two organs. Write any two organs of the different systems. Like this, when you write any two organ systems, you have to write, and from that you have to write the sum of the organs. Yes, shall we do that now? Yes, children. First and second, part of the second we will start doing now. Please keep open your S1. Then and there, if you finish, only the work will be done. Yes, no, children? So first question, I told you will try on your own. Second one, what is an organ? How is an organ system different from an organ? Organ is a part of our body which does a particular function. What about organ system, children? Organ system, a group of organs work together for a similar, same function only. All the functions, their aim is to do the similar function. Now what are they asking? They are asking you name two. For this only I am continuing second answer. Name two organ system. So you can write digestive system. In that you can write, I think you can write two organs, stomach, food pipe, like the two organs you write. and all, you can write a circulatory system or any other system of your choice you can write, and you try to write two organs. So here if you write stomach, here you can write heart. Yes, one of the organ of this system. Yes, no children. And third question, what would happen if stomach tries to perform the work of heart? What is the work of the stomach? Stomach helps us to, what is the work of the stomach, children? Stomach helps us to grind the food. Stomach helps to grind the food. Yes, heart pumps the blood. Yes, so now you only think what will happen if the stomach is trying to perform the work of the heart. Just now I wrote what is the work of the stomach and what is the function of the heart. With this, you yourself you think and try to answer the first, second and third question, and compulsory after this watching the video, you read, take open your textbook and you read. In that many systems pictures are there. Observe the pictures and try to understand the meaning of the terms what is given and also the spellings, and complete the S1 and be ready for the next class, children. Thank you, children.